Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all teachers and students who join my sharing session today. Okay, thank you to Nilam Publication for the opportunities. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I would like to share with you guys how to solve equations involving indices. Okay, as you all know, there are so many questions involving equations in indices, but I have specifically classified the questions into 4 different types. Okay, they are type 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I try to explain in bahasa, okay, bagi pelajar-pelajar yang belajar dan menjawab soalan dalam SPM nanti dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, untuk tajuk persamaan indeks ini, cikgu dah kumpulkan, cikgu dah kategorikan soalan-soalan yang berkaitan persamaan indeks ini kepada 4 bentuk, iaitu bentuk 1, 2, 3 dan 4. Supaya apa? Supaya pelajar dapat kenal pasti bentuk-bentuk soalan dan merancang strategi bagaimana untuk menyelesaikan persamaan indeks. Okay, I'm sure that all of you are ready with your pen and your notebook. Okay, let's start with type 1. Okay, as you can see, okay, type 1 is the simplest form. Okay, I guess this is very familiar to you. Okay, it has left term and right term. Okay, so you can see, okay, the tips here, the clue is the smallest base 2. Okay, so on your left you retain, whereas on your right you change 4 to base 2. 5 minus x. Okay, the next step will be, okay, the rule that you are going to use. Okay, you have 5 rules in indices. Okay, ada 5 hukum indeks. Okay, cikgu paparkan yang ini, the whole version of SPM list of formula. Okay, it cannot be seen, it's illegible. So cikgu dah besarkan dia. Okay, untuk apa yang kita nak pakai ini, rumus-rumus yang kita nak gunakan. Okay, under algebra. Okay, under algebra ni, okay, so you have actually rule 1, rule 2, and rule 3. Okay, these 3 rules are given in your LPM list. Okay, LPM list, which you don't have to remember. Okay, there's another 2 rules that was not given in LPM list. Okay, they are rule 4 and rule 5. Okay, rule 4 and rule 5. They are, okay, A multiplied by B to the power of M equals to, they share the same power or index. Okay, for rule 5, A divided by B power of N will be A power of N divided by B to the power of N. Okay, this one you need to remember. Okay, so rule algebra 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to use algebra 2, 3, and 4 for this question. Okay, so you are going to multiply the terms. Okay, 2, which is 10 minus 2x. On your left, you retain. Okay, so you have used rule 3 already. Okay, for your 1 mark. Okay, normally students are going to cancel this 2 and 2 since they have the same base, which is very, very wrong. Okay, instead, once you have the base on your left and right are the same, so you need to equate the indices. So what you get next will be 2x plus 6 equals to 10 minus 2x. Okay, so you bring over negative, so you have 2x plus 2x, 4x is equals to 10 minus 6 is 4. Therefore, x is equals to 1. Okay. How are you going to check your answer? Okay, whether it's correct or not. You still have ample of time to check your answer, don't worry. Okay, there are a few methods of checking your answer. Okay, method 1, okay, will be manually. Check manually. What I meant by manually is I substitute the value of x is equals to 1. Okay, on my left. This is my left. On my left. Okay, this is on my left. Okay, my x is 1 just now. I found that my x is 1 plus 6, which is on my left, equals to the power of 8, which is, you press your calculator, which is 256, isn't it? To the power of 8. Okay, on my right is the term 4 to the power of 5 minus the value of x just now, which is 4 to the power of 4, which is also 256. Then your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. Okay. What will be the other options? Okay, the other options will be by using your calculator. Okay. So for paper 1, okay, it's for paper 1 is 2 hours for 25 questions. So each question need to be solved around roughly 4.8 minutes. Okay, so you still have time to check, don't worry. Okay, so by using calculator, okay, I show you how to get your answer by using calculator. Okay. Oh, okay, you on. Okay, make sure you reset first. Okay, reset. Okay, so no more memory. So it's menu. I'm using FX570EX. Okay. It seems that this is the latest version. Okay. Okay, so you calculate. Okay, you press equal sign. Okay. Use your calculator to check. Okay, 2 to the power of 2. Okay, x, your x is over here. This is your x. Plus 6. Okay, you bring down the cursor. Pelajar-pelajar, turunkan cursor tu terlebih dahulu. Okay, for equal sign, is not the normal equal sign. Not the normal equal sign. It is the pinkish in color. Alpha, calculate. Okay, you press alpha, you press calculate. So you get the equal sign. Okay, then on your right is the term 4 to the power of 5 minus x. Okay, you bring down the cursor. Okay, you press shift, you press calculate. Okay, when x is 0 only, then you press your equal sign. If you have any other numbers other than 0, then you have to recalculate. Okay, pelajar-pelajar kena dapatkan x sama dengan kosong. Kalau pelajar mungkin tak reset balik ke calculator, you dapat angka-angka selain daripada kosong, you kena recalculate, tulis balik, type balik. Okay, barulah boleh tekan equal sign yang kat bawah ni. So then the answer is X is equals to 1. Okay. Left minus right equals to 0. Okay, what is meant by left minus right equals to 0? Dalam kalkulator ni, kalau pelajar-pelajar tengok, left minus right equals to 0 maksudnya, kalau kita ada left minus right equals to 0, apa maksudnya? Left sama dengan right. Atau kiri sama dengan kanan. Maknanya dia balance kiri dengan kanan. Maknanya baru anda boleh katakan jawapan anda dengan menggunakan kalkulator ini betul. Kalau dapat left minus right ni angka lain, okey, contoh 0.5. Maknanya salahlah tu kiraan anda tadi Jadi kena bersabar sikit, okey. Typelah balik ni, kirakan balik nilai tu. Okey, ini tentang penggunaan kalkulator FX570EX. Okey, untuk menyimak jawapan yang melibatkan persamaan indeks bentuk 1. Okey, so cikgu gunakan kalkulator yang satu lagi. Okey. Okey, kita cuba gunakan kalkulator yang agak lama sikit ni FX570MS, okey. Okey, nampak sikit, okey. So kita mula dengan 2, okey, to the power of yang bentuk bumbung ni. Okey, ada 2 term 2x satu term, 6 term yang kedua. 2 to the power of, okey, buka kurungan 2. Okey, x kita adalah alpha yang pink juga, yang pink ni juga. Yang pink juga, okey, dengan tutup kurungan ni, tutup bracket ni. So alpha x. Jadi pelajar kena ingatlah ni jangan terguna darab pula ni 2 alpha 2x plus 6 tutup kurungan. Okay, again, equal sign tak boleh digunakan equal sign yang biasa ni. Okay, jadi kalau pelajar nampak ada warna pink juga ni, alpha calculate ni ada pink. Maknanya ada tanda sama dengan kat situ. Okay, itulah sama dengan kita sebenarnya untuk equation. Sama dengan, okay, 4 power, okay, power bumbung tu, okay, bracket ada 2 term juga, okay. 5 minus, okay, again x, okay, we see x, so alpha x. Okay, kita akan tutup kurungan. Okay, okay, again kita tak boleh tekan calculate ni, calculate biasa sama dengan ni tak boleh, okay. So caranya adalah shift calculate sampai dia jumpa kosong, lagi sekali shift calculate. So, pelajar akan dapat jawapannya X sama dengan 1. Okey, itu dua cara menggunakan kalkulator yang berbeza yang cikgu boleh share dengan pelajar-pelajar semua. Okey, selain daripada kaedah pertama yang kita kira manually. Kiri mesti sama jawapan dengan kanan bila kita gantikan balik nilai X yang telah kita perolehi tadi. Okey. Okay, so cikgu kena clear dulu, clear on. So cikgu harap pelajar-pelajar boleh faham. Okay, kita pergi kepada bentuk 2. Kita pergi pada type 2, panjang sikit, ada berapa term tu? 1, 2, 3, ada 4 term, ada 4 sebutan. Okey. Okey, tak mengapa. Okey. So untuk bentuk 2 ni, walaupun agak panjang, kadang-kadang pelajar pun tak tahu macam mana nak selesaikan. The only method to solve this type 2 equations, okay, is still by using your formula. Dengan menggunakan formula yang sama juga yang diberi oleh lembaga periksaan, okey. So tapi bukan dari kiri ke kanan, tapi daripada kanan ke kiri, okey. Okay, you look at this. A to the power of m plus n, okay, adalah similar dengan ni. A to the power of m plus n, okay. Ni sebutan pertama, m ni kedua. Okay, sama juga di sini, 1 dan 2. Okay, what you should do next is, oleh kerana dia tambah, sebenarnya dia darab. Okay, so same base yang sama, okay. Oleh kerana tambah, dia darab. Okay, yang pertama ni duduk di depan. Yang kedua duduk di belakang. So, ialah markah pertama sebenarnya. Okay, kalau awak tengok macam mana guru-guru menanda di sekolah. Okay, tambah 24. Okay, again, serentak dalam satu baris yang sama. In the same, okay, sentence, you use algebra 2 and 3. Okay. Okay. Minus, okay, refer to algebra 3. Minus, that means it's division. So, do your division slowly, step by step. The base is 2. Okay, follow the base that is given to you. Okay, the first one is x. Okay, at the numerator. While the second term is 3. Not negative 3. Negative, this one shows the division. Okay. Minus 2 to the power of x. Okay, equals to 128. Okay, look at the 3 terms. Okay, the first term is separated by the second term by a plus sign. Okay, whereas the second term is separated from the third term by using a negative sign. Okay, there are 3 terms on your left. Okay, what do we normally do when we have the same term repeating? Okay, they are like terms. Dia adalah sebutan yang sama. Jadi pelajar kena faktorkan. You need to factorize. Okay, these are the steps. There are no other methods or steps. These are the steps. Okay, so you have to. Okay, you have bring this out for the first term. Look at, focus your eyes on the first term only. Okay, plus, this is 8. This is 24. So should be 3. Minus, there's nothing here. In front of 2 to the power of x, there's nothing. Okay, you cannot, it is illegible, you can be seen. Okay, it is actually 1. It's not 0. Okay, you can always try. Okay, you multiply 2 to the power of x times 0, you will get 0 over here. Okay, okay, then before you proceed to the next steps, you please check your work. 1, 2, 8. Okay, you have numbers over here, which is 4. Okay. And on your right is still 1 to 8. Okay, pelajar akan kumpulkan angka dengan angka. Itulah yang paling mustahak sekali. Kita dah hampir kepada jawapan dia. Ini angka dengan angka. So akhirnya kita akan dapat, okay, 2 to the power of x equals to 1 to 8 divided by 4, which is 4 times 3, 4 times 2. Okay, so if you cannot memorize, okay, actually by now, students doing your revision for SPM, all should be at your fingertips. To the power of 532, to the power of 664, to the power of 7128, to the power of 8256, to the power of 9 is 512, to the power of 10 and 1024. If you always do your exercise, then it will be very, very easy for you. Okay, okay, so the power of x is equals to 2. Okay, you stick to 2. Okay, press 2 in your calculator until you see 32. Okay, then will be 5 times you press the calculator. Therefore, x is equals to 5. again. Okay, how do you know that your answer is correct? Okay. Okay, so check using your calculator every time you solve problem, no matter what topic it is, either it is progression, arithmetic, geometry, or probability distribution, okay? Trigonometry, you can always check your answer, okay? I will teach you in my next session, inshallah. Okay, so we can check manually. So on your left, okay? So on your left, L stands for left, okay? Left, you have 2. Your x just now is 5. 5 plus 1 plus 24. 2x is 5 minus 3 minus 2 to the power of your x is 5. So to the power of 6 is 64 plus 24. To the power of 2 is 4 minus 32. Okay, 64 minus 32 is 32. 32, this is 96. 32 plus 96 is 128. Is equivalent to your right. So definitely your answer is perfectly correct. Okay, that's how you check your answers. Okay, this is manually, which I label it as method 1. Okay, can you use calculator by the way? Okay, of course you can. Okay, so you can check by using calculator. Okay, let's try to get the answers from the calculator. Okay. So on you go for menu. Okay, menu. Go, you press equal sign for calculate. Okay, it is a long equation which comprises of 3 terms. Okay, don't worry. Okay, 3 or 4 terms, never mind. You can still check the answers. Okay, 2 to the power of x plus 1. Okay, you bring down the cursor before you shift to the second term, plus 24, open bracket, 2 to the power of x minus 3. Okay, you bring down the cursor for close bracket, minus 2 to the power of x. You bring down the cursor. Okay, again, okay, as the earlier questions, okay, this is not your equal sign, okay, you have to press your pinkish, okay, remember, alpha, calculate. Okay, equal sign comes out, then only you press whatever on your right, 1 to 8. Okay, and then shift calculate. Okay, you can see x is equals to 0. Okay, only if you see x is equals to 0. If you see other numbers than 0, then you have to type again. Okay, so then only equal sign. So the answer is x is equals to 5 and left equals to right. Okay, as I said, left minus right is equals to 0. That means it is perfectly correct. Okay, so this is the first calculator that I have used, which is 5x570 EX. Okay, okay, shift clear. Okay, clear all. I'm afraid because the memory will still there. Okay. Okay, for the second calculator, okay, for the second calculator, so on. So I clear all before I set. Okay, 2 to the power f yang bumbung ni, bumbung. Okay, bracket. Why bracket? Because there are 2 terms. Bracket. x plus 1. Your x is, remember, your alpha, close bracket. Okay. Plus 1. Okay. Close bracket. Plus 24. Open bracket. 2 to the power of, okay, again there are two terms. I need my bracket, my open bracket. Alpha x minus 3, okay, close bracket, okay, minus 2 to the power of alpha x. Okay, equal sign, be careful. Okay, your equal sign is alpha equal, okay, x is equals to 0, then alpha, shift, calculate. Shift, calculate. Oh, it's syntax error. Okay, never mind. We just need to type. Okay, be patient. Okay, something is wrong just now when I type. I discovered the mistake. Okay, so you shift, you clear all again. Shift, clear. 3. Okay. 2 to the power of, okay, alpha x plus 1, close bracket, plus 24, open bracket, 2 to the power of, okay, alpha, okay, to the power of alpha x minus 3, close bracket, minus 2 to the power of alpha x. Okay, so your equal sign is alpha, this one, 1 to 8. Okay, then shift, calculate, 0, again another one. It takes a longer time, a bit longer, okay? So x is equals to 5, as you can see. So you can check by using your calculator, eh? Okay. Okay. So that is, okay, type 2. Okay, type 2. So we proceed to type 3. Okay. So we proceed to type 3. Okay. Type 1, same base, left and right. Okay. Let's refresh. Type 2, there are at least 2 terms, can be more than that, 3 terms, 4 terms, and there are 2 steps. First, separate by using algebra 2, 3. Then the next step is factorize. Okay? Okay, how about type 3? Okay? It seems that it has quite similar to type 1. Okay, you have left and right. The only difference is they are not of the same base. Okay, similar type of question but different base. Until the end of time, you can never find, if you press your calculator 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Okay, so you cannot achieve 5. Okay, what you should do is, the best thing is using algebra 7. Okay, algebra just now 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is for 7, 5 and 6 is for log, so we have 7. Okay, where you can bring down the index. Okay, the index over here, down here. Okay, that is where you apply your algebra 7. Okay, So since they are not of the same base, pelajar-pelajar base tak sama, sampai bila-bila pun kamu takkan jumpa bila kamu tekan calculator. Contoh 9 ke 27 ke, itu dah jadi bentuk satu. Okay, so you akan ambil log kiri dan kanan. Base berapa? Yang ada dalam calculator cuma base 10 saja, asal 10 saja. 3x tolak 2 sama dengan log. Sabar dulu, tulis dulu log asas 10 kiri dan kanan. Tambah je log kiri, log kanan. Okay, that will be your first mark actually. Okay, so you are going to bring down. Okay, by using algebra 7 just now, x minus 2, place it in bracket. Why? Because there are two terms. Some of you will get wrong if you don't place it in bracket. X minus 2 log 3 is, you press your calculator, 4771. Okay, x, bring down, log 5 is 0.6990 for decimal places. So you are going to multiply 0.4771x minus, okay, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times of 7, 14, 15, so 0.9542 equals to 0.6990x. Okay, look at this is bigger, so stay, you bring here over on your right, you will get minus 10 minus 1, so it is x, 10 minus 1 is 9, so is, next one will be 9, 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, so 0.2219x equals to negative 0.9542. So your x is, you press your calculator, what did you get? You will get negative 4.3001. Okay, for decimal places. Anda stated in the question, kalau soalan minta dalam 2 angka berarti 2 decimal places, ikut arahan soalan untuk dapat melayakkan awak mendapat markah penuh. Okay, if you are not sure of your answer, maybe you have counted it wrongly or anything else, okay? So you press your calculator, okay, you write wrongly. So what you should do is, you have your left term. So on your left, so first method is manually, okay? Left 3, your x is minus 4.3001. Okay, minus 2. Okay, you will get, okay, you press your calculator, okay? I think it's 9 point something, 8648 times 10 to the power of negative 4. That means there are 4 zeros in front, okay, before 9. Okay, then on your right, okay, you have 5 to the power of your x. Substitute the value, okay. The first method is checking by substituting the value that you have found, okay, in your working, okay. X is equals to negative 4.3001. Okay, you will still get the same answer. Okay, you can always check your answer. Okay. Next method, okay. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment, okay. Boleh tulis dalam ruang komen, cikgu akan cuba baca dan balas insyaAllah. Jawapannya sama, So, kita boleh juga gunakan calculator for method 2. So method tu tak apa, kita ambil daripada sini. Okay, on, cikgu akan clear. Sebab takut memory dia masih ada lagi pelajar. Kalau tak dapat jawapan tu, you kena tak balik lah ni, tekan balik calculator awak. Okay, on, pergi pada menu, calculate. Okay. So, you boleh guna yang pertama tadi atau yang kedua. Dia pelajar tak tahu nak guna yang ini ke yang ini, tak apa. Mana-mana pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay. Ini boleh, itu pun boleh. Okay, so cikgu tunjukkan macam mana nak guna. Sebenarnya sama je macam tadi, tapi tak apalah, cikgu tunjukkan. So, we have 3 to the power of x minus 2 ni friendly user. Friendly user, okay. Tak ada masalah sangat guna calculator ni. Okay, bring down the cursor. Equal, so be careful equal awak. Jangan cepat-cepat tekan equal ni. Okay, slowly, relax. Okay, ni equal to 5 to the power of x. Okay, bring down the cursor first. Okay, then you are going to shift solve. Shift solve. There you can see, as you can see, x is equals to 0. Then only you press equal sign. So the answer is the same. It has a slight difference. Just now we get negative 4.3001. But by using calculator, we get negative 4.3013 is okay. Okay, we just want to check. Tak lari daripada jawapan sebenarnya. Okay, I hope you enjoy using your calculator. That is type 3. So we proceed to type 4. You can also use your second calculator. It's the same. It's almost the same. So no problem. Okay. So okay, by now I think you know how to use your calculator. Okay. Okay. What about type 4? Look at type 4 and your previous lesson. Your previous type is type 2. What can you say? Okay. Type 2, it has the same base as well as the same power or index, which is x. Okay. Okay. How about type 4? Strategi untuk menyelesaikan semua sama. Except dia punya, kecuali dia punya langkah pertama ni yang menentukan sama ada awak dapat betul ataupun salah. Okay. So we change 16. This is the clue. Normally the question will give you the smallest base. Just follow 4 squared, so 2x plus 2 equals to, you retain whatever on your right. You don't have to do anything. Okay, now look at this term. Type 2 and type 4, the major difference is type 2, same base, same power. But as for type 4, same base, but different power or index. So what we should do next will be, okay, 2, we retain. Okay, since we want to be like this term, okay, the same as the term that is given. So you retain x, you push 2 outside. Plus 2 equals to 5, 4 to the power of x. Okay, this is where we use let. Okay, normally the students always ask, Teacher, when to use let? When to use let? Okay, then this is the type where you use let. Okay, you can let for X to be U or whatever alphabet you wish. Okay, as your wish. So you will get the quadratic equation 2u squared plus 2, okay, equals to 5u. Okay, it is not a quadratic equation until you have expressed it in its general form, where the power is 2. Okay, we revise a bit. Okay, quadratic equation, the variables is only 1 and must be equal to 0. These are the three characteristics of a quadratic equation. Okay, so you factorize. Okay, I do it manually. Okay, 2 and 2, 4, 1. This is u, 4u. This is negative. Bring down everything. Negative 5u. So minus, check. Minus 4u, minus u, minus 5u. Okay, then it is correct. You can always use your calculator. Okay, no problem. 2u minus 1, u minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so you have two sets of answer. So u is equals to half, u equals to 2. This is not your final answer. If you answer like this, then you are lack of 1 mark. Okay, okay, so u equals to half, then you have to change whatever you have replaced earlier. U half, okay, 2 and 4 half is 2 to the power of negative 1. 1 over something, salingan ataupun inverse is always to the power of negative. That one you must bear in your mind, okay? Okay, then the same base, the clue. Okay, don't cancel, okay? Just leave it. Asal sama, samakan kuasa. That is the correct concept, okay? X is equals to minus 1 over 2. Then it's not your only answer, okay? You can use your second working. So for x is equals to 2, 2 to the power of 2x is equals to 2. Invisible is actually to the power of 1, not 0. Yeah? So 2x is equals to 1, so x is equals to half. Okay, how are you going to check manually? Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, you have two answers, right, just now? X is equals to negative half. X is equals to negative half. And another answer will be x is equals to half. Okay, you need to do both, yeah, in order to get perfect marks, okay, in your examination. So on your left, okay, I show you whatever on your left. Okay, you have your left. So this will be first method, 16, your x is negative half plus 2. Okay. Okay, so next one you do half first. Next one I show you half, then I want to show you something. This is half. So 2 square root of 16 is 4 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. On your right is this term 5. On your right will be 5. 4, your x is half. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is also 10. Then your answer should be correct. Okay, you don't worry. Always check your answers. Okay, you have time to check your answers. Okay. Okay, then if x is equals to negative half, okay, the same thing. I'm going to check both left and right. Okay, cikgu akan semak kedua-dua sebutan di sebelah kiri, semuanya asal dipisahkan oleh tanda sama dengan tu belah kiri lah. Depan dia tu adalah belah kanan, tak kira lah yang mana panjang, yang mana pendek, should be no problem. Okay. Di sebelah kiri cikgu, kiri lah, left kiri. Cikgu ada 2, 16, X cikgu negatif tengah, tambah 2. Okey, cikgu tadi nak buat perbandingan, sebab tu cikgu buat positif dulu. Kalau square root 16 tu kita dapat 4, kalau power dia negatif, dia 4/1 terbalikkan 1/4. These are all the things that you need to monitor. You need to equip yourself with all these skills, okay? So that you can calculate very fast, okay? +2, which is, this is half. Half plus 2 is 2.5, which is 5/2. Okay? This is my left, usually left. On my right, I will have the term 5, 4 to the power of my x is negative half. Okay, so I will get, this is 5. Okay, this one, as you can see, square root of 4 is 2. 4 to the power negative half is 1/2. So the answer is 5/2. Okay, so I hope you guys can differentiate between type 1 and type 3. Type 1, same base. Type 3, different base. Type 2 and type 4, quite similar in question, but type 2, same base, same power or index. But as for type 4, you have same base, but different power and use your let to solve the problem correctly. Okay. So for those of you who still want some exercises, okay, you can refer to, if I'm not mistaken, page 72, Nilam module. Okay, in Nilam module, okay, there are exercise 10. So there are 9 questions and the enrichment exercises also, okay, for you to do further exercises. Okay, so as I said, if you have any questions, just write on the comment area. Okay. So I guess that's all for today. Okay. This one also can be checked by using calculator. Okay, no worries. Okay, you can always do the same thing that I taught you just now. I didn't teach you, but I share whatever that I have. Okay, a small version of me. Okay, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, thanks for joining us. Thank you, Nilam Publication. Okay, Assalamualaikum. And have a nice day. Okay, we shall continue in the next lesson, inshallah. Most probably next week. Okay, stay tuned to FB Didik Classroom for more info. Okay, that's all for today. Assalamualaikum and have a nice day.